now guys, I have dumpling and let's go. Yes. Oh my god. Let's go. Oh man, it's not glitter. Wag kasi puputok yan eh.
It's a regular.
This is original. Ano ba yun dito? And so cute. Yeah. Ikaw. Ako na nga.
Ano?
So good. Baho. And this is I'm America and this is I got. This is original and she have a little bit glitter. Let's go. Ayun ka, nakuha ko yung glitter. Dito ko ilalagay sa taas. This is a glitter. Naka.
That's not glitter.
A glitter is here. That blue, that blue. It's so small! Oh, look, Chris! This is so cute. Hoy, wag kasi ganyan! Puputok!
Sorry, ganito na lang.
And I don't know what.
Sorry.
And i-post mo na, alis mo na. Post. Bye-bye! Bukas tayo. Eh, ano mo na, i-post!